For those who have significant property losses, sometimes the insurance company will tell you, don't worry, you're going to get policy limits. You don't need a public adjuster. Now, I can tell you from recent examples where that conversation was had, and sure enough, the offer did not represent policy limits on a replacement cost value or even on an actual cash value basis, leaving our insurer to wonder, what did they really pay for? Imagine for 20 years, the insurance company tells you your price per square foot for construction is $300 a square foot. And let's make believe your building size is 2,000 square feet. So you've got $600,000 of replacement cost coverage on your dwelling. Now you have a major fire. All parties agree that your house is a total loss. You wait 5 weeks, 2 months, eventually you receive an offer. That offer winds up being $400,000. You say, how is this possible? My insurance company set the price on what my valuation should be. I had a total loss. The local contractors say the cost of construction is $600,000, and your insurance company is telling you that your valuation is $400,000. As you can see, nothing is as easy as you'd like it to be, and sometimes those words of sympathy after a loss coming from your insurance company may not match reality based on their internal protocols and procedures set by their managers. You know, every insurance company has their own way on adjusting losses, and so while there may be a good intent initially, unfortunately good intent doesn't get transferred to paper, which then leaves you in a very poor position saying, I'm stressed out, how do I rebuild, what is it going to cost, how do I get more money from my insurance claim? This is what our firm deals with on a regular basis. We know what it takes to help you get back on your feet and to present the proper rebuttal and presentation to ensure you and your family get every dollar so you can rebuild and make informed decisions on the next steps of that insurance claim recovery.